Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about how to find the count of the consonants in a given string. So in the last video we already discussed how to print the count of the vowels from a given string. So in this video we'll discuss about how to print the count of consonants in a given string. So let's understand that. So for that I have created one class important logical program, and inside this class we have one main method. This is our main method, public static void main, and inside this main method I have written code to print the count of consonants in a string. So for example, this is our string str is equal to hello world. So from this string we have to print the count of the consonants. Okay, so for that I have taken integer count is equal to 0, and now let's understand this for each loop. So in the for each loop, character C colon str dot to char array. So for str we are using to char array. So when we use to char array, it will convert the given string into the characters array. So like this, and for each iteration we will get one character, and we will check that character in the if condition. And if that character is a consonant, then we will increase the count and also print that character. And if it's not consonant, if it's a vowel, then we will not print that, we will not count that. So let's understand if condition. So in the if condition I have taken AEIOU in the small and in the capital letters, and also I have taken one space, and I have used index of method for this string, and here we are passing the parameter as a character. So for each iteration we will find out the index of that particular character. So let's understand, for the very first iteration we have character as h, and index of h is not present inside this string, right? So index of h will be -1 because it's not present inside the string. So -1 is equal to -1. So condition satisfied, then the if condition satisfied, that means it will execute the loop inside the conditions, like it will increase the count by 1, and also it will print the character. And also for the next iteration we will check for e is present inside the AEIOU, right? So it will find the index of e. So index of e is 0 and 1. So it is present on the first index. So 1 is equal to -1. So condition is failing here. So that's why it will not execute the remaining code inside the if condition, and it will check for the next iteration. Like that, for each iteration we will check different characters, and as per the condition we will increase the count and print the character. So this is how it works. So now let's execute the code and check whether we have written code correctly, and it should print all the consonants in the given string. Now we got all the consonants like h, l, l, w, r, l, d, and total consonant count is 7. So let's check. So in the when we convert str dot to char array, so here we also get one space here inside this array. So that's the reason I have added here extra space, so that it should not count here inside the consonants. So that's the reason I have added here. So this is how we can find the consonant counts in a given string. And that is it. Thank you.